Hi darlings, my name is Prayag. In this video we are going to discuss about disease malaria. This malaria is caused by the parasite Plasmodium vivax. This Plasmodium vivax belongs to the kingdom Chromista, subkingdom Arosa, phylum Epicomplexa, class Echinodecida, order Hemospororida, family Plasmodidaceae, genus Plasmodium and species vivax. Parasite Plasmodium vivax causes malaria disease. Malaria means mala means bad, area means air. Malaria means bad air. This Plasmodium vivax present in the human blood and salivary glands of the female Anopheles mosquito. It requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. So this Plasmodium vivax is a digenic animal. Digenic means the animals which requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. And mode of transmission is through the female Anopheles mosquito when bites to the humans, then the malaria disease causes to the humans. How to prevent this malaria? Prevention measures are avoiding mosquito bite. Plasmodium vivax is a digenic animal, means it requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. The primary host is mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito. The male mosquitoes won't suck the blood of the human, so the male mosquitoes won't cause the disease. Secondary host is the human beings. Life cycle of Plasmodium vivax. Since Plasmodium vivax is a digenic animal, it requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. The primary host is the man and secondary host is the mosquito. In man, it occurs in two cells, liver cells and RBC cells. Since liver cells contains hepatic cells, and when Plasmodium vivax is present in the livers, at this stage these are known as hepatocytogonium. And when Plasmodium vivax present in the RBC cells, then this stage is known as erythrocytosisogonium. When female Anopheles mosquito bites infected mosquito bites the humans, the sporozoites which are present in the salivary glands of the mosquito will enter into the liver cells and becomes the tropozoites. This tropozoid stage leads to the cyjoint stage. In this cyjoint stage, the sporozoites will become spherical and attain the maximum size. This cyjoint stage undergo mitotic division and forms 1200 daughter individuals known as cryptozoites. These cryptozoites again enter into the fresh liver cells and forms the cyjoint stage. This cyjoint stage again undergo mitotic division and forms metacryptozoites. These metacryptozoites are of two types. One are micro metacryptozoites and other macro metacryptozoites. These macro metacryptozoites, which are large in size, will again enter into the fresh liver cells and undergo cyjoint stage and forms the cryptozoites and becomes the micro metacryptozoites. These micro metacryptozoites will enter into the RBC cells. After entering into the RBC cells, they form the tropozoites. Here it again starts its growth and becomes maximum size. From tropozoid stage, it leads to the signating stage. The signating stage is the name because here the vacuole is developed and cytoplasm of the sporozoites. Signating stage name because here the vacuole is developed and the cytoplasm is pushed towards the periphery of the nucleus to form a ring-like structure. So the name signating stage. This signating stage leads to the amoeboid stage. Here the vacuole is removed and pseudopodia is developed. This pseudopodia feeds on the RBC for the nutrients. This amoeboid stage leads to the cyjoint stage. The red colored dots on the cytoplasm of the RBC are known as Gruffuner's granules. This cyjoint stage leads to the hemozoin. This hemozoin develops into a merozoites. From merozoites, the male and female gametes are released. Female gamete is known as megagametophyte and male gamete is known as microgametophyte. Due to the pH and acidic conditions of the humans, these gametes won't go further development in the human body. It will enter into the mosquito body. As the virus or the disease goes on increasing, the RBC cells in the human beings will be decreased. When the female Anopheles mosquito bites the malaria infected person, then the male and female gametes will enter into the core of the female mosquito. Here, the male gamete, mainly consisting of nucleus and the cytoplasm, the nucleus will undergo many mitotic divisions and forms the pronuclei, and cytoplasm will extend and shape of the male gamete will be changed. Now, the male and female gametes will fuses to form the zygote. These zygotes will undergo further changes or some changes and remains inactive for 18 to 24 days and forms the ookinete. This ookinete will attach to the basal membrane of the mosquito. This ookinete undergo mitotic divisions and forms oocyst. More than 500 to 550 oocysts are formed. This oocyst will attach to the wall of the mosquito. Later, the nucleus of the oocyst will undergo several mitotic divisions and form the sporoblast, and each sporoblast is covered by the cytoplasm. This sporoblast will lead to the sporocyst. Here, the sporocyst is covered by the oocyst wall. This sporocyst, after undergoing some cycles, the oocyst wall will rupture to release the sporocytes. These sporocytes, which is present on the salivary glands of the mosquito, when bites the humans, these sporocytes will enter into the humans. By this cycle continues. Again, in humans, these sporocytes leads to the tropocytes. From tropocytes, it leads to the zygote stage. They keep on the cycle increases.